Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today I want to share with you all my new product that I purchased from Purple and Mintra. So let's start. So first product is Dot&K Skincare Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen is so cooling. I mean, this sunscreen is just amazing. This is the SPF 50 PA+++ with a hyaluronic acid, and I love this one sunscreen because this sunscreen is very lightweight, no white cast. This sunscreen absorbs into your skin very quickly. You don't need too much time to apply this sunscreen. Its texture is a very creamy or liquidy like this, and this sunscreen suit for oily and combination skin, non-oily finish, UV IV blue light protection mentioned here on the screen, and this one is fragrance free sunscreen, and its amazing part is no white cast and absorbing very quickly, so I love this one sunscreen. Okay, next product is from Rene. This is the Rene Glass Glow Prep Makeup Oil. Okay, this one makeup oil is such a nice product, I would say. This one oil makes your makeup longer, gives you a very flawless base in your makeup, and I love this one oil. The best part in this oil, this is the very non-greasy oil. When you apply on your skin, this absorbs very quickly and gives you a very nice glow. When you apply this oil, your makeup long lasts. You can use this oil underneath your makeup. I mean, you can use this oil before your primer and after your moisturizer. That means this oil seals your moisture into your skin and protect your skin from the primer. So this is the very nice technique to use this oil, and I love this technique to use. This protects my skin from a primer. So yeah, this one oil is one of my favorite facial oil, I would say. Okay, the next product is from Mars. This is the high coverage formula foundation. This one foundation is very nice for high coverage, and this one foundation gives you a very nice natural high coverage formula. I mean, this one foundation used for a summer. This one perfect for a summer. You can't use in a winter because this is the matte foundation. So obviously in winter, this foundation makes your skin more dry. So this foundation is for summer, but you can also use in a winter to add some facial oil into this foundation. My shade is F14, so this one foundation suits me. I don't need too much coverage on my skin. I use this foundation a less quantity, and I achieve very nice natural base on my skin. So yeah, this one foundation is also affordable, so go and check it out on Mintra, Flipkart also. You can buy this foundation, and budget friendly also. So yeah, the next product is from NYB. This is the NYB Pro Contour and Bronzer. This one is so good contour, I would say. 2-in-1 contour bronzer, matte finish, lightweight, enriched with vitamin E and almond, blendable, and high pigmented. This one is you can also use like a eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow. This is the very nice shade, so pigmented and very nice blendable. So I love also, this is the very affordable, like 275 rupees only. So yeah, you can also try this one. Okay, the next product is also from NYB. This is the NYB Long Lash Mascara Length Plus Volume. So this one is so amazing mascara. This is the perfect for a summer. This is the intense black color, extreme length and volume, smooth creamy finish, water resistant and smudge proof. So this one is also very nice. You can also see the flexible brush. You can use very nicely. You can use very easily onto your lashes. So I also love this one, is also affordable. So yeah, you can also buy this one. The next product is from Swiss Beauty. This is the perfect liquid concealer. I love this concealers from Swiss Beauty because very blendable, like creamy texture. You blend very quickly. So I purchased two shades, one of the orange and one of the green, for correcting all the problems on a skin like blemishes, dark spot, or any kind of under eyes, around mouth, any kind of darkness. So you can hide with the correctors. Mainly you can use green corrector for your redness on your skin, any kind of redness, pimple. So you can use a green corrector. And the orange corrector you can use for your dark circles, for any kind of darkness on your face, so you can use a orange corrector. So these type of orange corrector and green corrector you can use. I purchased Swiss Beauty concealers because I love the formula, I love the creaminess, I love the blendable structure, because you can use with your fingers also, you can use a wet beauty sponge, you can also use brush, because it's very creamy and very nice. So yeah, that's why I love. The next product that I received from Purple, that is a Bombay Shea Butter Hair Removal Cream. This is for all skin type, but I would say patch test first, or you can you got with this cream one of spatula to apply the cream also. So this one is also affordable and very nice hair removal cream, I would say. That's very good. So next is a calm rest bikini razor that I purchased. This is the Japanese nano pressure blade. So this is the very safe like a razor, and I love this one. I purchase every time this razor, so you can also try. So this spatula I got with a cream also. So yeah, this is the video that I share with you all, and this all the products I love really, and this all the products under rupees 500. So you can also try on Mintra. Right now is so many discounts, so many coupons they give us, so you can also buy the products. So yeah, this is the video, and this is the products that I share with you all, and I'm very excited to share with you all this kind of videos. So if you love this video, like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Till then, take care in my next one.